Okay, this is a quick tutorial on what I believe is the fastest way to achieve selective color. And selective color is essentially this. When you have an image that's full color and you have chosen to just show a certain part of the image in color. You've seen this everywhere. Photographers hate this, but the general population seems to love it. So you probably want to know how to do this. And I'm going to show you how to do this really fast. Okay, so let's take a look at this image. And what we're going to do is reveal just the yellow in the car and have everything else be desaturated. Alright, so here we go. First thing you want to do is unlock this layer since it's a background layer, so double click. Say OK. Then we'll duplicate this by dragging this down to the new layer icon. And for now we're going to hide that layer. And we're going to go to the original layer. Click on it. And now we're going to go down here. We're going to add a adjustment layer. Alright, and choose black and white. And we'll go ahead and choose a preset known as darker. Adjustment layers are nice because they're non-destructive. I can turn this off and I can delete it. I can actually double click on it and edit it further if I'd like to. But we'll keep it like that for now. So what we'll do now is turn on our duplicated layer. Brings it back to full color. And we're going to use a tool that's called color range. It's under select. So click on select, go down to color range, and you'll see you have this eyedropper tool. So all you're going to do is click on the color you're trying to maintain in the image. So we'll click on the yellow in the car, and you'll see here in this little preview box it's saying, okay, I've selected all of this color in the image, and you can tell it, well, don't select that much or select more of it. This fuzziness slider does that. So we'll keep it right around there. We'll say OK. And what happens is it's now created a selection, which you can see here. Okay, that's good. What you want to do now is turn that selection into a mask. All right, so just go down here, click on the Add Layer Mask button, and immediately you'll see that you're almost done. You could say you're done now if you wanted to. But we're going to refine this a little bit. The beauty of this, what you've just done, is it's a layer mask. And layer masks are non-destructive. And you can actually paint to reveal or conceal a mask. So my brush colors have changed to white and black. So white will reveal, black will conceal. So let's keep it on the white. We'll see what got missed in this image, if anything. It looks pretty good, actually. Let's just kind of click around here. Alright, so down here it looks like it missed a little bit of the yellow in the bottom of the car, so we will change our brush to white. Let's choose the brush tool, hitting B on the keyboard, and we'll choose a nice soft brush. And we'll just paint that back in. What I'm actually doing, I'm not painting the color yellow, which is what it looks like I'm doing. I'm actually just painting on the mask itself. So I'm painting to reveal portions of this mask, which reveals, essentially cuts a hole in the image. You can see right here, it's kind of hard to see, but yeah. So we're actually revealing. If we can click on this to show you. Let's zoom out here. And we'll click on this to show you what the mask looks like. So here's what's actually being maintained in your color image. And you can actually zoom in here and start painting some more if you'd like. So let's paint some more in here. You can see it missed a bit here. Now the beauty of a mask, like I said, it's non-destructive, so if we mess up, you can always go back, change your brush color to black, which I'll do here momentarily, and just paint so you can see what it's doing. We'll turn these layers back on so you can see. Back to white. And paint those areas back in. Very cool. Very easy to do. Alright. This is a really common request in wedding photography. So let's take a look at an image from my own wedding. This image here. And what we'll do is reveal just the red and the flowers and make everything else black and white. So we'll do the same thing again. We'll duplicate this layer. Turn that one off, turn this layer on, and do an adjustment layer of black and white. Okay, close that. Turn this back on, go to Select, choose Color Range. Click on a flower. Alright. Say OK. And create a layer mask. Okay, so right off the bat, you can see it's almost done. We can zoom in. If you want to refine this, hit your brush tool. Make sure it's on white, and just start painting where you want to keep the red. Pretty simple stuff. I saw over here it did grab a piece of the image I didn't want to keep, so we will turn this back to black, and let's paint those out. And that, I believe, is the fastest way to do it. Now, another cool thing you can do here is maybe you don't want black and white, maybe you want sepia. All right, go to a new adjustment layer, choose photo filter. Let's choose sepia. If I can get it. Sepia. Okay. And let's crank the density up on this. And now you have this kind of cool looking sepia slash full on red. Really kind of a cool looking effect. And that was done in seconds. So I believe that's the fastest way to selectively choose color in an image. So I hope this helped you guys.